Hello and welcome to Tech for Teaching. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to screen record from your iPad or your iPhone. I'm going to show you how to do the setup on the iPad, but it's the exact same thing on the iPhone. And this is going to be useful for a number of different things. You can actually give presentations here on the iPad and talk through them as you click through the presentation, like a slideshow. And you can upload those videos to whatever software your school uses, such as Canvas or Google Classroom. And your students can watch these videos and hear you talk at the exact same time. The first thing you need to do to set up this option is click Settings and open up your Settings menu. Now, on an iPhone and an iPad, you need to swipe down, and it reveals the search bar up here at the top. And you need to type Control and Center. So it opens up the Control Center right there. Now, I know it gives you other options there, but you just want the one that says Control Center. So click on Control Center, and it opens up this menu over here to the right. It says Access Within Apps. You want to leave that alone, but you want to click on Customize Controls. And that's going to open up your different options that when you swipe down, they're listed right here. So we want to scroll down and find this little button right here that says Screen Recording. So when you click the plus, notice that it has been added up here to the top of the screen where it says Include. And you have included screen recording in your control center. So now, when you swipe down from the top, you have this little button right here. That's going to be what you use to screen record your voice and your screen. The only thing that you need to remember is that if you just press it like this, it's going to give you a countdown. It is recording your screen right now, but it is not going to record your voice. So to stop it, you need to go up here to the top and click on that, swipe down and click on the recording thing, and it is going to stop your session. So that just made a video, but it did not record your voice during the video. So to fix that, what you need to do is long press the record button. Long press the record button. When you do that, you've got an option down here for a microphone. And that's very useful for, especially if you're teaching like a slideshow or something, you definitely want your voice to be included in that. So when you turn that on, it's going to record your voice. And I'm going to swap to my iPhone right now and give you an example of what that sounds like. All right, here's how to do it on the iPhone. I got my gorgeous kid there. It's the same directions as I told you on the iPad, like I mentioned before, but you just click on the settings, swipe down, type Control Center, and it's our first option on the iPhone. So when we click that, you want to go to Customize Controls, scroll down to Screen Recording, make sure it's on your included list, and once it is, when you swipe down from the top, you will get that same record button that you had on your iPad. So it's kind of handy that you have the option of recording on either the iPad or the iPhone. It's the exact same thing. Make sure you download Google Slides from your App Store. You can make all of your presentations in Google Slides and then screen record your voice going over top of them while you go through the presentation. So I made a sample presentation. It's just a one-slide one, just to show you guys what it would look like to a student and how a teacher would set this up. So when you click on this, you're going to have a little play button at the top. So when you click on play, it's going to turn. You need to click on present on this device, and make sure you turn your phone or iPad sideways. You're going to get this screen right here. Now, don't forget to click on the screen record option, and also don't forget to make sure that your microphone is on. So once that is highlighted in red, you know you're good. You can click Start Recording. Now, I'm going to give a quick little sample presentation on this. When you click on that, you're going to get a countdown, and I'm going to give a quick sample presentation. So this is exactly what your students are going to see and hear. This is 100% recorded from my iPhone. So you can make this video starting right here, two-step equations. You want to turn on your screen recording. You can press through it. So on this screen, I can give a little bit of information on how you would solve a two-step equation. You could tell your students that we're starting out with the equation that is 2x minus 12 equals 5. And you want to make sure that they know to simplify using the inverse of addition or subtraction. So that's the first thing we need to do. You can see up there at the top we have minus 12. Well, the inverse of subtract would be add 12. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you found this useful. I'm definitely going to be using this during this pandemic that we're dealing with right now to teach my students from my computer to theirs. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I will answer any questions you all have in the comment section, and I'll even take requests for videos. So thank you for watching.